You did it! You survived the exams, the all-nighters, and finally got that college degree. Congratulations. But with the cost of college averaging around $36,000 a year and student loans looming, you're probably asking yourself one big question. Was it all worth it? And more importantly, how do I actually turn this degree into a paying job? Step 1. Research careers early. You don't need to have your whole life figured out, but exploring job types early on is a massive advantage. Look at the return on investment for your major. Consider the education needed, the job prospects, and how quickly your starting salary will let you pay off those loans. Step 2. Explore internships. This is one of the absolute best ways to test drive a career and prove to employers you've got what it takes. Many internships are paid, which is great, but even if you take an unpaid one, you might still score college credit. Just make sure to budget for living expenses if you have to relocate. Step 3. Earn a paycheck. If an internship isn't in the cards right now, get a part-time job. It doesn't even have to be in your exact field. Why? Because every job teaches you marketable, transferable skills. It shows future employers you are responsible and know how to work with people. Can't find a job? Create one. Start a blog, a podcast, or offer pro bono services. Building your own platform is an amazing way to gain real-world experience. Step 4. Build skills by getting involved. Extracurricular activities aren't just for fun, they are resume gold mines. Joining clubs helps you build hard skills like bookkeeping and soft skills like learning how to collaborate. Plus, it proves you can multitask. Step 5. Lean leadership experience. You don't need a fancy title like class president to be a leader. Take on more responsibility in your clubs, organize a community service project, or simply mentor a younger student. It shows initiative and project management skills. Step 6. Write a better resume. Even if you lack professional experience, highlight the specific accomplishments that transfer to the role you want. Did you grow a club's membership? Say exactly how, and don't be afraid to visit your campus career center to get a professional to review your draft. Step 7. Establish a professional presence online. You already use social media, but now it's time to build a LinkedIn profile or a digital portfolio. And a quick warning, check your privacy settings and clean up those wild weekend photos. Trust us, employers will look you up. Finally, Step 8. Expand your network. Yes, networking can be nerve-wracking, but it is incredibly powerful. Reach out to faculty, mentors, and college alumni. A large and diverse network can give you practical advice and that crucial introduction to your dream company. College is an investment, but the hustle doesn't stop at graduation. Research, get experience, lead, optimize your presence, and connect. Do these 8 things and you'll be light years ahead of the job market. Good luck out there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more career-building habits.